Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. Today we're going to discuss 3 stretches for plantar fasciitis and flat feet and 3 exercises. Come on over here and check them out. The first stretch is one of my favorites. Take a bottle of water. Do not break the seal. Freeze it overnight and keep it frozen. Pull it out when you're ready to stretch. And what you're going to do is you're just going to roll the heel and the ball of the foot and even the arch all the way through from the top to the bottom of the foot here, back and forth. And what you're doing here is you're icing it down, reducing the inflammation, and you're also stretching the fascia and the soft tissue under the foot. This is my favorite stretch. And this is a good stretch to start out with because sometimes people overdo it with the stretching and it can cause a little bit of irritation and inflammation. The second stretch, use a lacrosse ball. Do not use a tennis ball. A lacrosse ball will always hold its strength. Tennis ball gives way after a week or so. You're just going to take your heel and rub it and roll it, all over the bottom of the heel, through the medial and the lateral arch, on the inside of the foot where the medial arch is. And you can go back and forth and up and down in different directions, okay? And you'll do both feet, spend a few minutes on each foot. And then the third stretch, use a towel or a TheraBand, and you'll just put the towel right over the edge of the toes, and you can bend the knee a little bit if you need to, and pull back and stretch the bottom of the foot. Okay? You can also stretch the hamstring along with it and straighten the knee out and pull on the toes as well. And another variation of this is to stretch your calves on the edge of a step like this. And that's another variation of the towel stretch. Now, 3 exercises to strengthen the arches in the feet. First exercise. We're going to take a TheraBand, put it around both feet. Spread the legs out about shoulder width apart. First, we're going to start with the right leg, and we're going to build up the peroneus muscle, okay? So all we're going to do is stabilize the hip and stabilize the knee, and just laterally flare out the toes and foot. Just like that. All the motion is in the ankle and foot, and the knee is stabilized and not moving at all. You're going to do 2 sets of 10 on that side, and then you're going to do 2 sets of 10 on this side. After you do that, we're going to build up the tibialis anterior. So we'll place this TheraBand and secure it. You can use a table or anything that's secure. And we're going to hook up the foot here. And same thing here. We're going to stabilize the knee and the hip. And this time we're going to rotate the foot and ankle in and flare it inwards. All while stabilizing the knee and hip. And this is working the tibialis anterior muscle, which forms your medial arch. Do 2 sets of 10 on each foot. And again, 2 sets of 10 on this foot. And that was 2 exercises. And the third exercise, which is a little bit more difficult, is to pick up the towel trick. So you're just going to take your toes and pick up the towel. Drop it down, take your toes and pick up the towel. And keep doing that. 3 sets of 15 of this, if you can do it. And that's it. If you have any questions about stretches or exercises for flat feet or plantar fasciitis or treatment for this condition, feel free to comment below or check out our other videos. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.